Every casino advertises excitement, but behind the lights and music is a quieter truth. Every game has a long-term expected value. Players talk about luck, streaks, and systems, but casinos think in EV. And if you want to gamble smarter, the first question isn't what can I win, it's what does this game cost me over time? The concept of expected value sounds intimidating, but it's simple. EV is the average outcome per dollar wagered if you played a game forever. A negative EV means the house wins in the long run. A less negative EV means the house wins more slowly. For most casino games, the outcome is already decided before the first card is dealt or the real spin. But not all games are created equal. Some drain bankrolls quietly. Others at least give players a fighting chance to stretch their time and value. Slots are where many players start, and where EV is usually worst. Modern slot machines often carry house edges ranging from 5% to well over 10%. High volatility, fast spin rates, and emotional design mean players can lose money faster than they realize. The illusion of big jackpots distracts from the math. A massive top prize doesn't improve EV, it often worsens it. Long-term slots are entertainment purchases, not strategic games. Roulette comes next in many players' journeys. European roulette offers a house edge of about 2.7%. American roulette, with its extra zero, jumps to over 5%. The difference is invisible in a single spin, but devastating over time. Craps surprises many players. While the game looks chaotic, certain bets, like the pass line with odds, carry a very low house edge. But stray from those bets and EV collapses quickly. Craps rewards discipline and punishes curiosity. Blackjack is often held up as the gold standard. With basic strategy, the house edge can dip below 1%. Add favorable rules and good execution, and blackjack becomes one of the cheapest games in the casino to play long-term. But blackjack comes with a caveat. It's mentally demanding. Fatigue, distraction, or alcohol can quickly turn a strong EV into a weak one. The edge only exists if you play correctly. Baccarat offers a surprising contender. The banker bet carries a house edge just over 1%. It's simple, low stress, and resistant to player error. But its simplicity can also lure players into higher stakes and longer sessions. Then there's video poker, often misunderstood and rarely mastered. With the right pay tables and perfect play, some video poker games approach break-even or better. But perfect play is rare, and bad machines are everywhere. Table poker exists in a different universe. When players face each other rather than the house, EV depends on skill. The casino profits from rake, not outcomes. For skilled players, poker can be positive EV, but it's not passive or easy. Quick reminder, if you want more content like this that explains why games work the way they do, hit subscribe so you don't miss future videos. You're gonna want to stick around too. The next tip is something most players never think about, and once you see it, you'll never look at the game the same way again. So which game really has the best long-term EV? The honest answer is the game you play best, with the fewest mistakes under the least emotional pressure. On paper, video poker and blackjack can offer the lowest house edges. In practice, many players perform better at simpler games like baccarat or disciplined craps betting. EV isn't just about the game, it's about speed. A low-edge game played quickly can lose money faster than a higher-edge game played slowly. Hands per hour matter. Comps also complicate the equation. Casinos rebate a portion of EV through rewards. Skilled players sometimes choose slightly worse games if comps offset part of the edge. Variance plays a role too. High volatility games feel exciting, but punish short bankrolls. Low volatility games preserve time and emotional stability. A Another overlooked factor is mental fatigue. Games that demand constant calculation wear players down, increasing mistake rates. A small theoretical edge means nothing if execution slips. Casinos know this. That's why the most profitable games are often the simplest. Players underestimate how hard it is to maintain discipline over hours. The biggest EV leak isn't the house edge, it's behavior. Chasing losses, increasing bets impulsively, or ignoring stop limits erase any advantage quickly. Professionals don't ask which game pays best, they ask which game lets them stay sharp the longest. From an educational standpoint, the best EV game is the one that aligns with your skill level, patience, bankroll, and goals. For most players, that means avoiding slots as a primary game, learning basic strategy where applicable, and choosing simplicity over excitement. Casinos don't rely on unbeatable games. They rely on human inconsistency. Understanding EV doesn't guarantee profit, but it removes illusion. It replaces superstition with clarity. And clarity in a casino is one of the rarest advantages available. So the next time you walk onto a casino floor, don't ask where the luck is, ask where the math hurts the least. Because in the long run, that question matters far more. And that wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out and tells YouTube this is content worth sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another strategy breakdown, game walkthrough, or insider tip. We've got tons of guides coming your way, and you'll want to be here when they drop.
And hey, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. Whether it's roulette strategies, blackjack tips, slot myths, virtual casino breakdowns, whatever you're curious about, let me know. Your ideas shape what we create.
Before you go, if you're serious about leveling up your casino knowledge, you have to check out the Ultimate Casino Guide. I put everything I've learned into one massive, easy-to-read resource designed to make you a smarter, more confident, more prepared player. If you've ever wondered which games actually give you the best odds, how do pros manage their bankroll so they don't blow it all in an hour, what tricks casinos use, both physical and digital, to influence your decisions, how to avoid the biggest money traps beginners fall into, then the Ultimate Casino Guide will change the way you play forever. It covers psychology, probability, strategy charts, real-world case studies, VR and online casino risks, loyalty program hacks, literally everything you need to walk into any casino and know exactly what you're doing. The link is right here on the end card. Click it and start transforming the way you play. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and I'll see you in the next video.